What up? It's your boy Flash McNasty here, and so I got a banger for y'all. Talking about breaking people's neck in a GTR. So I already had a video that was previously recorded, and I didn't expect to make it. I didn't expect it to happen, and so that's why I'm creating this video a whole fucking few days later to kind of just give y'all a description real quick. So what happened was, I was coming back home from chili dog stand, getting some chili dogs, and I stopped at a car wash. I was like, oh, let me just go rinse this bad boy off. It's always dirty. If you see my car, it's dirty. Because I drive my shit. Unlike y'all niggas that keep y'all car clean and all that extra, you ain't driving that motherfucker. You drive it down the street. You go down the street, and then you come back. Bitch, I drive this bitch, so my shit is dirty. Judge me. Fuck you. I don't care. You're broke. I don't care. Me too. Shit. But anyway, guys, the description is what happened was, like I said, I went to the car wash, and as I'm at the car wash, a gentleman, he just approached me. You know, he's like, hey, man, what is that? I've never seen that before. So I told him it was a Nissan GTR, you know, and I just gave him a rundown what the GTR does. And then I went on by my dad, went to go wash my car. Came back, and I was like, you know what? Hey, man, you want to ride? You're a cool dude. You want to see it? And he's like, hell yeah, I want to see what it do. And y'all stay tuned and watch this shit. It's a banger. All right. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, bro. Support your boy. If I was you, I would support me. And then if you was me and I was you, I would still support me. All right, peace.
How you get in this motherfucker?
So the little door handle, little thumb area.
Like this?
Push it in. Yep. Grab the handle.
Yeah, that's sweet little motherfucker. I want me a sports car.
All right. You ain't got no heart conditions, do you?
No, I drive semis.
Oh, all right, yeah.
I ain't scared of that shit.
All right, yeah. I got you.
This motherfucker gangster, boy.
Yeah, it's not bad. What's your name, big fella?
Call me Dracula, man.
Dracula. All right. They call me Flash, man.
Oh, Flash Gordon, man.
Yeah, something like that. More like Flash McNasty, but yeah.
Oh, okay. You in
yeah, that's what's up.
This is a Nissan.
Yep, GTR. This is Godzilla. In Japan, they call it Godzilla.
No shit.
Yep, in Japan, they call it Godzilla.
What you do, man? What you sell? Weed or something?
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube stop.
Yeah.
Okay then, I've been trying to get on that stuff, man. How can I link up with you, man?
I give you my phone number after this, man. I, give you some tips, pointers. I'll share what I know.
Yeah.
And then hopefully that can help you become successful. I mean, I'm not successful just yet. I do a little bit.
So
You
what
know
type of stuff you do on YouTube?
This.
Oh, this right here.
All cars. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you got some more cars.
Got a couple toys.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, this motherfucker got some fun. You need to come bring this motherfucker up. Oh man,
So the speed is gonna be right here for you if you ever want to know how fast you're going.
Damn, boy.
Yeah. So the speedometer's right there. I'm gonna bust the U in a second. That's my homeboy car right there. That SS that we just passed.
Man,
yeah,
this
cool
bitch
too.
got some power in it.
Oh man, you ain't seen shit yet.
God damn.
I'm gonna turn it up for you. That's why it's like I'm gonna go ahead and hit the turn around. I'm gonna wait for this car. We gonna yeah, I see it. We gonna get right to it.
This motherfucker got some power, boy.
Oh yeah, let me do a little turnaround right here.
This like on the body of them like Nissan Z something, right?
Yeah, so that's the other car. That's what I have. I got a 370Z, one of the fair ladies. This is the big brother. This is what those cars evolve into.
Oh, okay.
This is Big Daddy right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started with one of them till I got my pocket right.
Yeah.
When I got my pocket right, God gave me more. You know what I'm saying?
This motherfucker here, boy.
Yeah, no, this is the real deal. I'll wait for that car to get out the way.
Oh right here.
Yeah,
boy.
and I got 4 seats in the back too,
All
sub, all that, you know,
Oh,
whatever,
my God.
however they want to do.
You can't even, female can't drive this motherfucker.
Actually, it's pretty daliable, man. You know, a woman can drive this, no problem.
Yeah, like this.
This is all-wheel drive. They're not gonna lose control of this. This car has so many computers, so many brains inside of it, keeping it stable. This ain't meant for burning out and all that niggerish shit you see on the internet.
It
Niggas
just go
spinning.
in, grab, and move.
That's it. That's it.
So I used to do race cars and shit.
Let me see. Let me lower it down a little bit. I want it right there. So this is called anti-lag. When you hear this, the turbo is building. I let it go. The car jumps. Speed jumps up.
Man.
It's fine. It got race brakes on it. You know.
This is Godzilla for real, boy.
Yeah.
No, they can't fuck with this.
Nope. They
can't
tried.
fuck. I heard you when you came down. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
Where's it at? Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This motherfucker nasty, dog.
Yeah, no, man, that's a good time, man.
Oh my God.
Whenever you free, we're gonna have to link up. I'm gonna have to take you to some of the car events that go on downtown, man. It's a good time.
Yeah.
People living, man. You know, it's just our culture, having a good time. It's all love. You know what I'm saying? And it's such a good time.
I got that right there.
I like it.
I got that out to let somebody use it.
Oh man, you got a good heart. You got a good heart.
But I drive a Ram with a Hemi in it. I got Cadillacs and shit.